As we get close to the end of the school year here, it is turning into a very important thing to make sure that you have your files backed up for the summer. This should also be a regular practice that you go through just during the course of the school year. So I would recommend that you do this about every quarter to go in and back your files up if it's not being done automatically already. So first thing that you should do is go to google.com, and then we're going to click on Sign In right up here in the upper right-hand corner. I want to sign in with my Bennington Google account because it gives you unlimited storage to upload your files into there. Oops, and I should probably do that. So once you get signed in, now you'll see your name should show up right up here, and then we have Mail, Images, and then there's this little waffle right here. You can click on that waffle and click on Drive right here. When I open up Drive then, this is going to show me all of the files that I have in here already. To upload files is actually a pretty simple process. What you need to do is just grab a folder wherever they are on your computer. So if I click on New, I can click on File Upload right here. Or if I'm in Chrome, I can click on Folder Upload. File Upload is going to do one at a time. Folder Upload is going to pull everything that you possibly can put in there. So I'm going to click on Folder Upload because I want to pull everything. Then I get this browsing window up here on my computer, and I want to find the folders that I want to upload. So if you keep all of your files on your desktop, you can click on your name right here, and you should see a desktop folder right here. There's going to be a bunch of stuff on there if you have multiple folders or things like that. So if that's what you want to upload, then you can click on that, click OK, and it'll start uploading everything on your desktop, files included, and it'll call it a folder desktop. Now you might have some shortcuts that get thrown in there, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. You can always just go back in and delete those if you need to. If you keep all of your documents in your documents, then here again, right in this spot, here under your name, you'll see you've got My Documents right here, and then all of your things that go into your documents are going to be in that folder. Here again, if you want to clean things up a little bit, you can. You don't have to though. Once everything gets uploaded, you can rename or delete or do things the way that you want to do them, and it's going to be totally fine. So what I'm going to do is for this particular exercise, I'm just going to pick this folder on my desktop right here. So I click on OK. And then you'll see it says it's starting an upload over here. It's going to take a little bit of time. You see it says how many files I've got. And then once it's done, it's going to say one upload complete. You can click on that to close it. And you'll see I've got a folder right here that says server mods. That was the folder that I pulled off right here. It's somewhere on here. Oh, there it is. It was hiding behind something else. So that's one way to upload everything into your Google Drive. Another thing that you might want to consider is to create a folder in here. So I might go to click on New and then create a folder. And maybe I want to call this 2016 Backup or something like that. When you create that folder then, you'll see it'll show up right here. I can double click on that to open it. And then I can go through that same process. I can click on New, File Upload, or Folder Upload, and then go through the interface to do that. The other thing that you can do is you can just drag and drop from a window. So I have this folder right here on my desktop. I can just drag that over and drop it on here, and it will upload all of the files in that folder right here to this folder where I've placed it. Now, the folder upload only works in Chrome. It does not work in Internet Explorer. So you need to make sure you're using Google Chrome in order to upload entire folders at a time. If you have any additional questions, I'm certainly available if you'd like.